How can small and medium-sized enterprises get started with welding automation? Take your time and start with an analysis. Which components have to be welded, which sheet thickness, which slot sizes, and of course also which materials do you want to weld. That's the one part. The other part is, what are your resources? First, of course, in terms of financial resources, but also in staff resources. Do you have welders? Do you have programmers? That will define what you can do. Also, some medium-sized companies will have very big lot sizes and financial resources, and of course you can invest in an industrial welding robot and you will know if it pays off or not. But most medium-sized companies have smaller or medium lot sizes, so they will most likely look into a cobot. But start with your welds. If you have many straight long welds or orbital welds, think about a welding tractor or welding bug. Also for orbital welding, this may also be your first step into automation at low cost. But mostly you will have more complex geometries, more complex components, and that means you would need to have a cobot. Here, of course, you have the big advantage that you have very fast programming, very high productivity at affordable costs. During the welding processes, especially if you use gas metal arc welding, you will have weld spatters and welding fumes. So please think about your workers. If you open your welding cell, even if it's covered, welding fumes will go out. Use robotic welding torches with integrated fume extraction and a fume extraction unit that will protect your workers in your facility. The second thing, as I've told you, you will have weld spatters. You have to clean your welding torches. If you don't want to do it manually, in order to increase productivity further, you can use an automatic torch cleaning station that will also help you to improve productivity in this area. There are different possibilities for first steps into automation for small and medium-sized companies.